Very interesting question. Why are stocks going up? Stocks are reflections of the business, part of someone's business success, part of entrepreneurial activity. A well-organized business is created to generate profits, increase sales, and increase its growth rates. The stocks in turn reflect 2 points. First one is real business growth. This is an increase in goods sold, revenue, increase of profits. And second, investors' expectation regarding the business. Thus, if a company runs a really successful and profitable business, it increases its financial results year over year, its stock price grows proportionally to the rate of business growth. However, if the market strongly believes in the company, if it is convinced that the company rate will continue to increase, then the stock can rise in price at a rate higher than the growth of the real business. And this leads to an increase in PE ratio compared to the average for the market. And this may result in the crash of stock price in the event of, for example, disappointing results or some negative news. Therefore, if the stock grows in price quite reasonably, you can be sure that you bought a successful, profitable, and reliable company. How to find such stocks? Text me and I will help you. And always, good luck with your investments.